Welcome to my YouTube channel with another interesting video. And today, I am going to tell you some amazing iPhone tricks which only 1% users know about. So without wasting the time, let's begin the video. First trick is about screen recording. When you single tap on screen recorder, the video starts to record. But if you hold this option, a microphone option appears at the bottom. From this option, you can turn on microphone and record audio of yourself. The second one is Shazam's song recognition option. If you are on Instagram and listen any song but don't know the name of that song, simply turn on Shazam and it will give name of song like this. There are some app shortcuts which can save time for you. For example, if you want to turn on stopwatch, you don't have to open Clock app, simply press and hold and stopwatch appears to turn on. In Safari app, if you want to close all the tabs and you are doing it one by one, then it is a wrong way. To close all the tabs, tap and hold this tabs button and then tap on close all tabs to close all of them in one click. In Notes app, if you have written anything and now wants to remove it, simple drag 3 fingers backwards and the word will undo like this. And to re-undo, swipe fingers to rict and the word will come back again. To scan any document via Notes app, tap on Attachment, then tap on Scan Documents, and here Scanner opens. Now, if you want your profile to hide in Settings and not accessible to anyone, go to Screen Time, then scroll down and open Content Privacy and Restrictions. Scroll down again and go to Accounts and then select Don't Allow. Now if you go back, your Apple ID is not accessible to anyone. It is kind of locked. So these are some really amazing tricks which I think most of the users don't know before. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next one.